and Garf. Two movie tickets, please.
And what are you?
We're cats?
No, cats aren't safety, Yellow.
Bro, what?
You dare question the movie theater employee, Oliver?
Wait, your name is Oliver?
Yeah?
And what's wrong with a yellow cat?
Don't get me started on you!
Huh?
You look purple, freak!
Hey, come here. Now, listen, bud. Now, don't go spreading this around. But, confidentially, I am purple!
Should I just leave?
Yes, get out of my sight! Hey, get back here, you clown from cats!